So it is episode 4 from building SaaS from 0 to 1000 MMR. So in this day, we fixing the bugs, testing the error part of the SaaS, adding new feature, improving the user experience with smooth animation and building the unique function with the help of product stand down. So yeah, that was the whole part of the in the episode 4. So we build a complete structure ready to launch and fix all the MVP bugs and all. So that was the whole part of the video. So it is the day 22. So we start with like fixing the issues and all. So you can see that the notification was come in my flash to fixing the issue. So we start with issue and all, and like we and after that like we testing the SaaS and all, and in backend also issue was going on. So I am doing like the testing the SaaS and checking the issue how it's solved or not. So that was the whole thing I'm doing again and again. So the main issue was like the scraper was working but not able to scrap leads and all because little bit error was going on. So you can see that it's a, I may put the JSON format perfectly, but the error was going on and there was not able to scrap the leads and all. So that's why I'm testing and all. So after doing 1 to 2 hours was separately testing the stuff only. So that was the whole thing was going on. But testing why this not happen. So what I am doing after that, so I pasted the leads and all, so testing the lead quality and all, which some of the leads were working, some of them not able to scrap. So that was just going on again and again. So I'm testing the lead quality in the deep sea. The cloud was, the cloud grade was over, so I'm using deep sea to fix the issues and all, and I'm testing like how much the lead quality it's good or not as per the keyword and all. Then after like I find another rate scraper and all. So previously we are using another scraper, but it's not able to scrap leads. So after I'm deciding to use another scraper. So that one is much cheaper as compared to other scraper. But we have to definitely see and check first perfectly it's able to scrap lead for the customer as possible or not. So that's why I analyzing the thing and all, and checking like it's able to work or not. So let's do making another form to adding this system and all. So we make prompt in the chat GPT and it's giving like complete instruction how to do and all complete stuff and all. So we supposed to fix the issue. So I this option was come to 3 to 5 times, but the error was not fixed. So we supposed to deep analyze the structure, what was error was happening, then we supposed to fix. So yeah, and this is also lot of option were come. We only choose the 5 option. So this also we have to fix. It's randomly generated this type of leads and all. So we supposed to build a basic structure and all. We're supposed to change the UI font design also, so it is not looking professional. So we're supposed to fix this issue also. So yeah, let's do the tomorrow. And the good thing was we got a more cheaper rate option of leads, so you can the cost was also low down and profit was also more. So that was a good thing we done on today. So yeah, let's try to build on tomorrow. Let's aim to complete 80%. So yeah, that was all. So it is the day 23 and we started with Epify testing the scraper and all. And so that was the one thing, the scraper one is not working. So we aborted and we test the issues and all. So what was the going on? So this scraper is little bit small as compared to the previous scrapers and the cost was also low. So that's why I choose and testing the issue. If this scraper was work perfectly, then the cost of the SaaS was also low down because it cost a one third at that price, so that was very good. But it creates some issues, so that's why I'm testing the leaks and all by posting that all. To change the system after we change the JSON format and the scraper of Epify. Yeah. So in backend,
I will show you. So we already show the we change the backend scraper. So in the system also I am trying to change. So yeah, so previously we build a focus on system like lead quality finding, then generate the keywords, then 5 options, then the time frame. So I'm thinking to combine this and give the option like first give the lead quality, then give the prompt, then 3 keyword plus 3 subreddit were generated. After that the 5 options will come and time frame. I'm thinking to remove this, so the cost also come. And so $0.50 scraper was support the system because they does not provide the time frame system. So yeah, that was the whole thing. So we are thinking to this scraper only. So we can see cost was also low. So let's see what happened.
Then after like we save lots of JSON format and all because we does not know which has means the which JSON format gives the perfect leads and all. That's why I am testing also the backend and also saving the JSON format also to get which JSON format is better to put in the backend structure to get a better rate option and all. So that's why I am doing the continue two step again and again, and you can see it able to scrap the lead. So that was a great thing. And we also testing and the lead format also. So two things was going on.
So you can see after the all it take 2 hours to build the structure, and let's check it's working or not. So I change and add only 5 thing, and let's type the cold email once, and let's search, let's see it's working or not. So you can see the SEO keywords and generate properly. So let's comment, and it's live JSON format was also showing. I delete sometime, but first check the structure is working or not properly. So this is the key search keyword prompt, and this is the 3 keywords was already added in the JSON structure. We take high intent leads and let's check infinite edit. So let's check it's able to scrap or not, because scrapping was the biggest issue. If not able to scrap, then error happen. So let's see backend is also running properly. So we can see it scrapped properly. Results were 10 was showing. So you can see the 10 leads were scrapped properly. So yeah, means the structure was working properly. So yeah, so let's build a basic structure and UI and fix this like lot of error thing. So let's go.
So yeah, after that like we open a chat GPT and giving like option like which five option is best. So this is the separate part. After that like previous the lead format and all. So before scrapping, there was an option like which type of leads the user wants. So mostly the SaaS founder want is 4 to 5 types. So I'm not fixing like which one is best and all. So that's why I'm analyzing which is best like high intent buyer, and this is a sort buyer means this is the system like the backend Reddit only. So that why the rate scrap leads. So by just like a filter on the Reddit, like new post, you want the best post or trending post. So that was I'm checking which is best, and yeah, so that was the whole system about this lead buyers and all. So I'm just finalizing like which button should add in the site and all. So after that, like we open our vibe coding tool to test, and there was some of the error in the site. So what I am doing, like I'm just saying, putting the screenshot and giving the prompt like fix, and also there was a issue on analytics and all. So I'm like just giving the prompt and all to fix the issues and all. So that was the whole thing we are going. So I just put the screenshot, and little bit of design error was going on and little bit of another error. So just have to fix and all. So it takes some time. After that, like I have one to two fix I have to do. So I make a note on the Google Note and save it to fix the issue after that. And after that, you can see I added this animation, UI animation. So it look very good and professional. This UI animation I done with prompt only, the ChatGPT prompt. And you can see that the animation was working perfectly. So that was the whole thing. So it is the day 24 and the day start with doing the vibe coding stuff and all. So that was the whole thing. So we giving the prompt and fixing a little bit of issue was going on the SaaS and all. So there was a little bit of UI issue and all. So this thing like the previous lead generation. So that was the whole thing I'm fixing and all.
I take a Google Cloud free trial account. So I for crude trial account minimum payment should be done of $10. So I done the $10 and I paid the plan. So it's my billing information was there. So it's not showing. Let's refresh. So it is a $0 showing. Let's go overview report. In the cloud section you can see I finish a billing of, so I done this setup. So let's show you afterward.
So you can see that this is a transaction I done like this is a $10 showing in rupees. So that was the thing for storing the backend. We need the cloud and all. So there is a Google service and all, and we're supposed to verification. They take $10 and all. So
Error and we fix. So there is a lot of error I written and I try to fix this and you let's fix.
after that, like we open the Google Cloud. So seeing what has to do and all of stuff and all, and we see the UI also change, and so we change the UI also, and little bit more changes we done in today. So that was thing, and after that, like we checking the leads button and all. So that was the 2 to 3 thing we done of storing backend and pricing and all. So that was a thing was going on. So it is the day 25, and we start with the vibe coding and all. So what we doing like we analyzing the pricing and all of the complete structure and all, like mainly the pricing was Epify, Gemini. So doing the comparison like what was the cost was going on and all. So that's why I'm giving the prompt to analyzing the pricing and all and complete stuff. So that was the whole thing. So after that you can see that it give the complete cost what going on and all in the rupees. So they can understand better and all. So that was the thing was going on. So after that like another prompt was given to that only. So then after like we open and we testing the sites and all by giving the subreddit and all options and all to testing like how the lead quality and all. So that was I'm using like another email marketing SaaS I pasted and testing the issues and all how it generated. Then after like there is a popular SaaS whose name is Xfield and all. So I'm thinking to test this because the SaaS were very different users will come. So there I does not know like which niche the SaaS will come. So we definitely use by another different SaaS, different niche SaaS to get like does our scrapper was working perfectly or not. So that was I'm using this field. This is like AI image, AI video generation SaaS like open router and all, so providing APIs and all. After that, like we can see the scrapping was working of the Higgs field and all. So after that, like it generated like description and all, and after that we give the prompt so of generating leads. So we can see that it generated the subreddit and all. So let's analyze like how the structure was done and all, and test like it's able to do the leads and all. So after that, like we going to this comment option and all and testing like some of the error was going on. So we have to fix these issues and all, and it's perfectly able to scrap late or fix field and all. So it's do one time again, like fixing some of the issues and testing, and again scrap or fix field on the leads. So you can see that this is the complete leads with scrap. So let's make one of the comment. So you can see that I generated like one of the conversation comment. So from this and all the four options were work perfectly. So then after like we save some of the important. So what happening like after connecting and all, so there was a lot of error was going on in the SaaS and backend and all. So that's why I am making the some of the error and making the note point to fix after that issues and all. So that's why I'm making the notes and all. And the scrapper was working successfully. That's the lead. So let's fix some of the issues one by one and let's complete our SaaS and all. So it is a day 26 and we start with pipe coding and all. So you can see that there was error was going on in the SaaS. So we changed the model and fixing the issues and all. So testing again and again so not get the issue. So that why I'm doing and all. And after that like we use testing all the comment options and all to see the comment was generating perfectly or mentioning SaaS or not.
Well, so I think I do PayPal, or I think there is a Pioneer also one gateway. I does not know the exact name, so I'm thinking to add. So let's see. That was the process.
So I'm thinking to add the payment system and all, so just analyzing which gateway is best. Then after like we added like Google Keep, so Google Notes tab. So let's test if able to tab leads or not of Google Notes. So just paste it and you can see it grab the lead perfectly. View the complete subreddit is related to proper Google Notes and all. So yeah, that was very fantastic of Snapper and all. It's working perfectly. After that, like we test and all, so some of the error was going on. So first of all, giving the prompt. So I am thinking to make a big prompt to the pipe coding and all, so making the one big prompt to fix all of the error was going on of like UI and backend. So it make a complete goal prompt in the ChatGPT. So we will copy and paste it in the vibe coding to fix all the errors were going on. So that's why I pasted. Then after like we open the Apify and some of the fixing and testing the issue of if Apify factor and all. So that what we are doing and all. So some of the scrap leads were not able to scrap. So that was I am analyzing why. And some of the leads were scrap perfectly. So there were the two things.
So I am testing this new JSON format with new different subreddit. So where is this is a new subreddit I am testing. So it working properly, but we have to change some JSON format and it's working perfectly. So timing also it match. So I am supposed to check a little bit and check it's able to work or not. If able to work, then I will add today only the JSON format, and within the 3 day make sure the SaaS should launch. So let's see what happen.
So it is the day 27 and we start with ChatGPT. So we are testing like giving the complete prompt to change. So some of the little change we done in the size and all. So that wise like what are the structure and all. So we are making the structure of the SaaS. So content script and all to fix the error and not have to error and all. So yeah, and you can see this is the complete scrapper change and all. So yeah.
So after 2 hours of research, I built it a JSON perfect format So I added the date from and date to format also in the size feature, so it will help. And I also added 2 or 3 more feature, and I'm thinking to add only one subreddit and one keyword. The previous model was only. So let's see the structure is working or not. So I also changed the IP factor. So let's see, the cost was also the previous one only, of 1.5 $1.5 for 1000 requests. So let's check it's able to work or not properly. If work, then we add in our SaaS. So let's see and check. I also read the structure of whole, how the JSON format and all thing were properly. Again I read. In previous also we add this structure only, but the cost I remove and choose the cheaper option, but the cheaper option is not able to scrap the perfect lead. So I added again this one $1.5 option. So yeah, that's all. Let's check and see.
So the previous scrapper was lot of error was going on because of the date issue and all. So that was I changed the scrapper and its scrapper is working perfectly. So let's test and all. So adding the keywords and all. So in previously we already showed that we added like one time scrapping the three time at a time. So in previously it scraped one JSON file, but in the new structure I add like separate keywords, separate JSON file and all. So that's instruction like work perfectly. So that was little bit of change we done. So in the per lead they scrapped like three JSON format also alternatively. So that was I'm thinking that I added the system and all. So I'm testing. So in previously we testing in the vibe coding only. So we change and we start testing on the API and all. Because in vibe coding like we have to fix the issue and API cost was also down and all. So that was the issue. Then after like we added the new feature of leads of selecting and all. So that was the function I added like how many old the user want the leads. So that was the instruction. If user want the leads of past 7 days or past 1 day, it just mention and the leads were done and the JSON was also converted to that only. So that was the feature I'm thinking to add. So we pasted the prompt completely in the vibe coding. So let's see it's analyzed and able to implement or not. And this is the another prompt of fixing the issues and all. So lots of error was going on in the after the we added the 2 to 3 things and all. So that was the thing. So we giving the vibe coding prompt if next time like not error was going on. So after that like this is the scrapping and all. Let's select it the lead and test it it's able to work or not by giving the prompt. I'm thinking to giving the prompt like optional but not fixed. Let's do what able to do or not. So we selected the 7 day and delete the scrap. Like you can see that the three scrapper was working alternatively from one subreddit, one scrapper, and like that we have three subreddit options and all and three keywords. So as per the that subreddit generated like this keyword, so that was the instruction I made it and all. So let's see if able to do or not. So yeah, it is the day 28, last day of the week, and we scrap. I think 1 to 2 hours was fix the issue, but I does not record. So I do the issue stuff and all. So it's able to work or not. And after that, like scrap the lead. So backend is again and again it's scrapping, not working. So that's why it's taking the issue was going on. So I fixed that issue.
So I'm thinking to add the credit structure in my SaaS. So if the user wanted to add a website summary, so have a credit option, keyword, lead discovery date and leads were in one option, and per comment I supposed to charge one credit option, and export CV files. So that one option I was supposed to put. So that I'm thinking to add the system, not a per month per fixed leads. The user how much they want they can scrap the leads. So that was the system I'm thinking to add. So that way I design the structure and just implement in the structure. let's see able to done or not. So I, you can also see the cost were showing dot from the Gemini 1.5 version. So let's see is able to work or not.
Like we open Amplify again and seeing like how the lead was working. So you can see that after that, like we added the system like intelligent archives and all. It was not working in that time. So after that, we fixed the issue. So this is the I put like wherever the scrap was able to scrap, it able to save in particular format. So that was I added this option. Then after like giving another prompt in the wipe coding to fix the issue. So you can say that it give the complete input output format. So yeah, that's all.